we will start another unit, the wind and the sun. Sun said the wind to the sun, I can carry off kites and howl down the chimney on blustery nights. I can sail boats and send windmills in motion, rattle the windows and shuffle the ocean. And the sun grinned at the wild winter wind. Said the sun to the wind, I can turn nights into day, ice into water and grass into hay. I can melt puddles and open up roses. I can paint rainbows and freckles on noses. So, in this poem, there is a conversation going on between the wind and the sun. Now, the wind is saying to the sun, "Ki I can carry off the kites, and I can also make the howl noises when I run down the chimney on a very windy night. I can help sail boats, and I help the windmills to turn. I can also rattle the window and ruffle the ocean, that means to create waves in the ocean." When the wind said this to the sun, the old sun grinned, means smile, at the wild winter wind. Now the sun is saying to the wind, I can turn night into day. That means I can turn a day into night and night into day. I can turn ice into water. I can turn the green grass into the hay. I can melt puddles. Puddles means a small pool of water. And open up roses, which means it can help all the flowers bloom. I can paint rainbow and freckles on noses. Freckles on noses means, it literally means that it can bring smile on people's face, and also it can help making rainbow, because rainbow only occurs when there is a sunlight and rain going on together. Now, and the old sun grinned at the wild winter wind. Now again the sun smiled. Said the wind to the sun, you will be sorry you spoke. Down on the road is a man with a cloak. Now the wind is saying to the sun that whatever you have said, you will be very sorry. Now see, there is a man going down in the road with a cloak on him. Cloak means a robe. We'll take into turn to see who will remove it. And the old sun grinned at the wild winter wind. The wind blew the trees till the boughs bent and broke. He bowled the man's hat off and howled around his cloak. He blew and he blustered, he tossed and he tugged it. The man wrapped it around it and tightly he hugged it. Now when the sun told all this to the wind, now the wind is very angry and told that sun, let's make a bet. There is a man going down in the road with a cloak. Let's see, if you are so clever, then prove it to me. We will each take turn and see who can remove that cloak, that robe from the man's body. Now what wind did was, wind blew very heavily. He blowed the man's hat off. The man was wearing a hat and the wind blew it off and howled around his cloak. Howled means he made noises while going through his robe. He blew and he blustered, he tossed and he tugged it. The man wrapped it around him and tightly he hugged it. Now what happened is, when the wind was blowing so heavily around the man, he wrapped it around it and tightly he hugged it. He wrapped the robe around him very tightly.